guys, I'm just going to take you through a stair workout that you can do to make your knees, ankles, hips and whole body stronger. So when you're starting out with stairs, I get people to do single stairs at a time, just walking up, nice and controlled. That's going to use the soleus muscle quite a lot. And when you come down, you want to go nice and slow. It's great conditioning for the patella tendon and for the quads, provided you take your time. A lot of people complain and say stairs are really bad for the knees. It's usually because you're coming down too fast and you start off too aggressively. So if you start out just doing single stairs, nice and controlled, you can build up that tissue tolerance over time and get better and better at it. So these are just over 100 stairs. So for people starting out, I encourage them to do, say start with 5 sets of something like this, 100 stairs, and then work on around a 2.5 minute round time. So each 2.5 minutes, you're just starting again. So that'd be like a 12.5 minute workout, or if you just did 4 sets, a 10-minute workout. Really easy. You're going to be really sore if you haven't done stairs before and you go out too hard. So once you've got that down and you've built that up, say mate, to 10 sets, then you can start to bring that round time down to around 2 minutes. And you're just trying to get nice, good control, condition the ankles, condition the knees, get good body awareness with it, get a nice rhythm, opposite arm, opposite leg. Once you got that down, then you can start to speed it up by doing 2 stairs up at a time. So you're going to place that whole foot, opposite arm, opposite leg, push through, push through. And all of these are low impact because you're just walking. You're not running, you're not trying to do it quickly. Once you got that down, then you can start to speed that up and jog single stairs up when you're going up. And then you might do a combination of doing single stair jogging and double stair walking. Build that up. Once you can get 10 sets down on a 2-minute round time for a 20-minute workout, you're really doing quite well. It's great conditioning for the cardiovascular system, great for the ankles, knees, hips, and a good foundation for harder, heavier stuff. So for me today, my workout, I did a backwards walk going up. This one, you really want to get that nice control. This is great for conditioning the quads, the knees, the ankles, spatial awareness. I really enjoy it, so I use that as my warm-up. Did 2 sets of sprints, 2 stairs at a time, and then to make my round time quite quick, I run down 2 stairs at a time. But of course you want to build up that walking down slowly, 1 stair at a time, then 2 stairs at a time, really slow before you speed that up. Otherwise you're going to fall down the stairs, and the whole point of training is to get stronger and healthier. And my rule with training is never get injured while you're training. If you play a sport that's unpredictable, or you're out having fun and doing things and an accident happens, that's life. But when you're training, it's completely predictable. You're choosing it all. So you always want to progress slowly, and every time you increase the intensity or make the variation harder, or speed the movement up or decrease the rest, you always want to do it incrementally. Never rush the process. So after I did my sprints, then I did 4 stair jumps. So I'm just jumping up 4 stairs at a time. And then I walk to the next, pretty tight now. Then I walk to the next set. This is broken up into 13 sets, so I'm doing those all the way up. Then I do 3 stair bounds, running up, 3 stair walking. So walking up 3 stairs at a time. So that way I'm getting that nice flexibility, getting a good stretch. Then I go into lateral walks. When people start these out, I just get them to do single stair like that. 1 in front, 1 behind me. I actually do 3 stairs when I'm stepping out to the side, 2 stairs to the front, 1 stair to the back. After I do that, left and right, then I'm just jogging it out. At the beginning, I'm taking rests to keep the explosiveness. So the first half of my workout is more speed and power based. Second half is just endurance. So once I start that 3-stair walk, I just don't stop. But that diversity is from years of doing this. But my recommendation to people when they're starting out, just super simple. Be consistent. Get your stairs done once a week. It'll give you great conditioning for the knees, the quads, the ankles for the rest of your life. And then when you add in that diversity, for me it's more like a whole body, or it's a whole leg workout with lots of mobility by doing these cross steps. Great conditioning, good fun. So give it a go. Let me know what you think in the comments. 1 time a week. And remember, the first time you do it, you are going to be sore. Your gastroc, soleus complex, especially the soleus, will be sore for probably 4 or 5 days. Don't rush the process. As an extra bonus at the end, I do a crawl down to finish my workout. So this is quite challenging, quite heavy, good core workout. So here I'm just getting opposite arm, opposite leg. So you're going into a bear crawl, keeping that arch in the lower back. Hand, then opposite leg. Hand, then opposite leg. Opposite arm, opposite leg. You want to have this down on the flat before you start to do it downstairs. I usually break it up, so I'll do 3-4 flights at a time. Usually I break it into 3 or 4 sets going down, trying to keep moving as much as I can. It's pretty heavy duty at the end of your workout, so don't rush into that. Take your time, have fun, see you next time.